Alright, this is how to install Jupyter Notebook in Windows 11 the fast and easy way. First, look up Python in your preferred search engine and head to its homepage, or straight to the Downloads page. You need to install Python before you can install Jupyter, so this is an essential first step. So, on this page, unless you have specific needs, go with the latest Python version and download it. Then locate where it was saved on your computer and launch the installer. Here in this setup window, make sure to toggle Add Python.exe to path. This is super important because it lets your system find Python from anywhere, and then click Install Now. By the way, I have a detailed video on how to install Python through custom installation where I explain what each option means if you're curious about that. Go watch it if you want the full breakdown. I'll leave the link to it in the description. Right, once the setup completes, just click Close to finish the installation. Then open a terminal window, and in here, type Python version to verify if it's properly installed and visible to your system. It is. Good. That means we're ready for the next step. Now let's install Jupyter. Type pip install Jupyter and run it. This will download and install Jupyter Notebook, along with all required dependencies. Give it a moment to finish since it might take a little while, depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, choose a location on your drive where you want to keep the Jupyter files. For example, I'll create a folder on my drive C called Jupyter, then enter that folder and open a terminal from this location. What this means is that everything you do in the terminal will be saved in this folder, keeping your projects nicely organized. Now you can launch Jupyter by typing Jupyter Notebook and pressing enter. Your browser will open automatically with the Jupyter interface, and just like that, you're ready to start creating and running notebooks right away. Click New in the top right corner of the Jupyter interface. Then choose Python 3 ipykernel from the drop-down menu. A new notebook tab will open. This is your working space where all the magic happens. Give it a name by clicking on Untitled at the top and renaming it, let's say Demo for this example. Now check the folder you created. You'll see the demo.ipynb file saved there automatically. Every time you run or save your notebook, this file will be updated with your latest work. And that's it. Your Jupyter Notebook is ready to use. If you found this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. See you in the next video.